Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to record smooth and aesthetic videos in Heartopia using the new camera update. In this latest update, Heartopia added a really cool feature that called camera movement inside the camera mode like this. This feature makes your video look more cinematic and smooth without needing extra editing. First, just go to your camera mode like this and then just tap on the camera movement icon, this one, and then in here you can choose, and then in here you will see several movement styles that you can choose from, and each one will give a different aesthetic vibe, so feel free to try them out and see which one match your concept. And then to record a video, next just simply turn on your screen recorder, and after that just select the camera movement that you want to use, and then just start recording your screen. For example, maybe I want to choose this one like this. It's so cool, the movement so smooth like this. That's it. The result will look more aesthetic, more dynamic and smooth, and then it has professional camera motions. Super easy, right? And okay, maybe just try it out and just make your own cinematic Heartopia videos. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.